everybody, I am Anna from 7D. Because of recent dowry death cases reported these days, I would like to point out the need of becoming a strong and independent woman. Being a strong and independent woman will help you to take control of your life, dreams and many more. Here are some thoughts on discovering our independent self. We are not born just to get married and settle. We are here to make our own identity. We all must have a goal in our life. Educate yourselves about those opportunities or else you will get manipulated. Start making decisions on your own. Yes, you may fail in the beginning, but remember, failure is the stepping stone to success. Learn from your mistakes. Don't allow anybody to tell you that you cannot do something. Those are their viewpoints. If you have a dream, then go get it. Give importance to your education. It's not just about gaining high marks or high ranks. It is a miniature form of the real world itself. What you experience here will be an important tool while moving ahead in life. Be aware of the social, political and economic changes happening around you. Those are not meant just for men. If you are not educating yourself, you are doing a big mistake. Housekeeping, cooking, cleaning, etc. are just life skills. Those are not meant only for women. Don't just train yourself to be the best homemaker. You are much more valuable than you think. Work towards your financial freedom. You are responsible for your own life. Don't depend on others, not even your parents once you are grown. We need to change the way society looks at women. We are not going to be a burden to anyone. We need to be independent emotionally and financially. Your life is completely your choice. It has nothing to do with society. So stop overthinking what they might think about you. If you want to do something but are afraid to attempt it, challenge yourself. It is how you will learn to face life. Learn something new every day and add it to your life's experiences. Read a lot of books to gain experience from legends. With this, I am concluding my thoughts. Best of luck and enjoy life to the fullest. Thank you and have a nice day.